Wash the day away with the Delta In2ition 2-in-1 shower. Get water where you need it most. Another way Delta is more than just a shower. See what Delta can do. When ingenuity seems utterly natural, we call it intuition. Delta's In2ition shower. It's 2 showers in 1 to give you water any way you need it, anywhere you want it. The shower head features a detachable hand shower that you can use separately or simultaneously with the shower head. It all comes together naturally. With a click, you can adjust the flow of water coming from the hand shower, from slow massage to fast massage to full spray with massage to full spray. The 6-foot hose offers you flexibility to accomplish other tasks, such as bathing a child, rinsing off, or washing your pet. Press the pause button on the traditional model and the water slows to a trickle, allowing you to conserve water while doing tasks such as lathering up or shaving. When you're finished, simply slip the hand shower back into place. The touch clean spray holes on the In2ition shower let you wipe away deposits with the touch of a finger. The In2ition shower comes in 2 styles, traditional and classic. And in your choice of chrome, Venetian bronze, or brilliant stainless finishes. Style and control come together seamlessly. The Delta In2ition shower. Another way Delta is more than just a faucet. See what Delta can do.